You ever sit down to study and just feel stuck? You open your book, read the same line again and again, but nothing makes sense. Hours pass, and you're still sitting there. You tell yourself, I studied a lot today, but when it's time to perform, your mind goes blank and you start questioning yourself. But here's the truth. You're just using the wrong method. Most students just keep reading, highlighting, watching. It feels like progress, but nothing actually changes. So here's the smarter way. Stop and actually think about what you studied. Try to explain it in your own words. That's when things start to click. Close the book and write what you remember. It won't be easy at first, but that effort is what builds real memory. Studying for hours doesn't work. One small distraction and your focus is gone. Instead, start fresh with short, focused sessions. Stay present. No distractions. Big topics feel overwhelming, so break them into smaller parts. Focus on just one step at a time. Then come back and revise again, until it feels natural. Slowly, things start making sense. You're not behind. You're growing. Step by step. Keep it simple. Remove distractions and focus on what matters. Start today and prove it to yourself.